Very many thanks to Nigel and to everybody at Sports 6 asking me to come and do this very important task. I have to say that I'm a little bit cautious because in the past there have been one or two sort of accidents that have coloured my life. My arrival at Standard Trial in Coventry in the autumn of 1965 was because someone in the personnel department of the Rolls-Royce Aero Engine Division in Derby said to me, "Mr. McCartney, I don't know how Rolls-Royce is going to continue into the future without your services, but as of today we're going to try." that was because I discovered that there's one thing that you couldn't do with what's called the SPA jet engine, and that was rev it. They don't like being rev gas turbines, so if you get the opportunity, don't do it because it just goes bang. Anyway, the time with Triumph was also not without one or two mishaps. The very first that I can remember was causing some very serious damage to a 2000 estate car that had just been delivered to Princess Grace of Monaco, which she was driving home to Monaco the following day. Fortunately, miracles were worked and the car was delivered the following morning and she didn't know what had happened to it. The next occasion was having a confrontation in another 2000 with a Ross frozen food truck in Trafalgar Square, who the driver claimed his brakes failed, and anyway he took the front end off the car, and that was completely wrecked. And then my final claim to fame was moving a car one day on a showroom changeover, which happened to be one of the very early Mark II Vitesse convertibles. I thought I was in first, but I wasn't, I was in reverse. And I drove it straight through the showroom window, with 32 feet of it, not the car, the window. So I'm just a little bit worried that in case when I pull this we're going to bring the sign. Anyway, this is, yes I can see it, this is an incredible piece of restoration work, and I think, well I know that all of us have to give our thanks to Bernie Robinson for doing so much work in getting it completely restored. It's a magnificent specimen. I must admit I've never seen one as close as this, or up as close, but impressive it certainly is. So well done Bernie, fantastic job. I'm sure you've seen bits of it, and I have great pleasure in now showing you all of it, so let's see what happens.